Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful Bezzera espresso machine. It comes to us with a leak and there was no pressure, and in the same time it was like a little bit the shower screen was like damaged and needs to be cleaned. The steam won't be clean. So I replaced the water pump too because of the losing pressure, and fixed the leak. It was like the leak was coming from here, from the air valve, most of it. Here's still some corrosion, and I found like the vacuum release valve combo. This one, it comes with pressure release valve together in one. It wasn't work well, and this part was also has defected, so I replaced them all, clean up the machine, descale it. Let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. I started with single shots. Actually, I don't like testing in the single shots. I prefer the double. It's fine. Pressure is perfect. It's going 8 bars to 9 bars. This is great shot with thick crema, and it's really tasty. So let's test the steamer. Works perfect. And the hot water. So all the functions works perfect in the machine right now. Thank you for watching.